Okay, so we're going to take a look at this second one. And I'm going to show you the easiest route through this one. There is a lot of options. So the easiest route is on the top of this. I have altitude to the hypotenuse. So I have a rule, all right? And the rule that we have is that if I have the scenario where I have a right triangle with an altitude, this side is the geometric mean of the segment under it and the full length. So I know that A equals the square root of B times C. All right, so I'm going to lean on that in this top triangle. I called this side B, so I'm going to call it 8 equals the square root of 4 times B. Square both sides, 64 equals 4B, so B equals 16. All right, so that's my first move. I've got 16 on this side. All right, but that's a 45-45 triangle, 45, 45, 90. So I know my relationship is A root 2. So 16 equals A root 2. I'll divide both sides by root 2. All right, and then I'm going to multiply top and bottom by root 2 to clean it up. So I get 8 root 2 equals A. All right, that gives me these two sides. So 8 root 2 and 8 root 2. All right, so triangle 1 was the big top triangle. Triangle 2 there gave us the 8 root 2 and 8 root 2. Now in this one, I notice I've got a 30, 60, 90. So I know that's A root 3, and 2A. All right, so I have the A root 3 side. So A root 3 equals 8 root 2. Divide both sides by root 3. And I get A equals 8 root 6 over 3. All right, multiplying top and bottom by root 3. But the side we want is Y, and Y is 2 times our A. So 2 times our 8 root 6 over 3, which is going to be 16 root 6 over 3. All right, and that's our Y value. So again, we work through triangle 1, 2, and 3, and we're utilizing really every rule from the chapter. All right, hope that helps. Thanks, bye.